I'm gonna be testing out Velour Lashes for the first time. I must be like the only one that's never tried that brand. I just picked this up from Sephora. It's this little cute set. Look at it. It's on sale for $20, but it retails for $29. You get 3 items. So you get the lashes, the glue, and you also get like a lash applicator. So that's awesome for $20. I believe their lashes alone retail like for $26 for what I'm looking right now. So this one is called Velour Lashes, the Glamorous Eyes Kit. Lashes are in the style Fluff'n Whispie, high volume dramatic style, and I'm all about that. Not only do I like volume, length, I also need the lashes to be nice and curled. By the way, I feel so much better with my nails now. Like, I did them myself so many times until I got them to look kind of presentable, but man, it took me hours. Just take the, ooh, that was easy. These little tweezers, look how cute they are. I love the neon. Not only testing out their lashes, we're also going to be testing out their glue, so I'm loving that. By the way, I'm going to leave a playlist of all the lashes that I have tried and reviewed in the description, and in the comments I'll pin it just in case you're interested and you're obsessed with lashes like me. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Kit with everything you need to apply a glamorous pair of lashes, like a mini 2 easy lash applicator and deluxe latex-free lash adhesive. Product is cruelty free. We love that. Do sell all of these items separately if you're interested. Always think that a set is always more affordable, so I love getting sets. It's easier like if I take the whole thing and just push it out like this. This looks really nice. It just says velour. I love the size too. I have one of these, the black one. It's much bigger, so I think this one is gonna be great. The glue says it's clear. As of now, the lashes look nice and full. Just try to take them out here carefully. Oh, they feel so nice and soft. I really hope I like them. I wonder if I'm gonna like them more than like the Lily Lashes, the Miami ones. Oh my god, I'm excited. I'm excited. If you've ever tried Velour Lashes, let me know what is your favorite style. Which ones would you recommend? Okay, so I'm not going to trim it. I'm gonna leave it like that. But if you were going to trim it, you always want to trim from the end, not from the inside. You'll mess up the style. What I'm going to do is hold them with my little lash applicator. And I'm praying that I like this glue, because right now I just placed an order from Ulta. They finally had the glue that I always talk about, you know, the one from Kiss. I ordered 2 of them because it's always sold out. I never see it in the store anymore. I'm gonna apply it like this, okay, the regular way. It's not my favorite way to apply lashes, but see, I'll do one side how I usually do it, like this, and the other side I will apply this, since it is a brush applicator, directly to my lash line. That's just how I prefer. I just did a video, like a tutorial, showing exactly how I do it step by step. We're just gonna let this dry for about 30-40 seconds. I'm like super impatient. I just want to like, that's why I like the other way, because you don't have to wait. Wow, that is pretty. I really like it. Wow. And you know what? I'm surprised because it doesn't feel like heavy at all. And let me just go ahead and apply the second one, but just look at it. It is curled, it is voluminous. I still think the Lily Lashes Miami are like still more dramatic and out there, but this looks nice. It totally just changes the eye look. It's so beautiful. For me, like how it feels is very important, and it's not feeling uncomfortable. That's so crazy. Like the lash band doesn't feel uncomfortable. So the glue seems to be working really good, and like, wow. I could definitely probably trim them a bit. Is your preference? But they look really beautiful. I love how they feel. Of course, if you've never tried lashes, they're probably gonna feel a little bit much because they are more like on the dramatic side. So you just have to get comfortable with them. But wow, let me know what you think. Like, do you like this style? I feel like it's more volume than like a lot of length. It still has length because I wouldn't want just like volume but super short. I want it all, you know? So I feel like these are like really good, like lengthwise. Some just like will like touch all the way here, and if you like it like that, it's fine, but to me that feels a little uncomfortable for me to like go like this and for it to touch there. It does touch a little, but not as much as others that I have tried. Have any requests for lashes that you want me to try, please let me know in the comments. I love testing out lashes for you. I'll just turn here in different angles so you can see. And I will be linking this set below. I think it's a great way to try. You get more for your money. Check it out in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.